Hello everybody, it's William Jam from Learn is free from William Jamming. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, this channel is all about programming, about app development, about game development, about incorporation of artificial intelligence and AR, VR, all the fun stuff. Okay, so before we get started, I have a small favor to ask you guys. I'm trying to apply for YouTube partner program and still lacking a lot of subscribers. As you guys can see, I'm a pretty small YouTuber, and I update video every day. So we really need that partner program in order to generate positive revenue to keep this channel alive and keep me off the street. Make my ends meet. So thank you so much for support, and let's get started. So you're watching a series of video about JavaScript, and we are talking about previously we talked about numbers, and I'm going to talk about a specific number right now. It's called NaN. So this is just a short for not a number. So I think it can be included as a number category. Okay, so you will see this error a lot if you are familiar with Excel, maybe data science. If you use Python to do a lot of data wrangling, data cleaning, and you might encounter that a lot. This is a pretty common sign, and if you see this error, most of the time it's because you doing a certain kind of operation that do not support by the JavaScript, and then you give you a NaN. Okay, so let me show you guys how. Okay, so if you got a console and you got a log, and you got something that completely different data type. So for example, I got a string. Okay, so this is not a number, but you got this is not a number, but you plus a certain number. For example, 9. Okay, you do that, and you will see that this is a sort of like a concatenation. Okay, and I can live with that. And what about minus? You'll get a 9. Okay, what about multiplication? Let me just experiment with it all. What about division? So that brings us to another topic. It's called concatenation. So if you just plus that, it can be classified as a sort of a string and a number concatenation. Okay, it can be classified with that. But minus, it does not make any sense. You got a string and you're minus 9, does not make any sense. You can't minus a certain thing from a string. You want to minus a certain number of letters. It does not make any sense. And of course, multiplication, it can make sense. For example, you repeat that 9 times, but in JavaScript word, it does not make any sense. And division definitely does not make any sense. You can't divide it by 9 parts. Okay, so here comes to another question. Why plus is can be interpreted as the sort of a concatenation? That is because we usually do the concatenation this way. So for example, if I want to concatenate, I'm going to say cat. Okay, concatenate, just cat for short, and I'm a cat person, and as well as a dog person. I love animals. Okay, so this is not the point. But sometimes you might encounter a scenario that you are writing a website and say that my channel, which is Learn It Free by William Jamming. Okay, William Jamming, have how many views? And you might give a comment and some views. So these views can be a number. Okay, so we get hopefully get this much views. Okay, and you can console that out. Okay, console.log, and you can cat that out. Okay, so you sort of just stick that together. So you change this number into a string data type, and then concatenate that together. So sometimes you can even say adding some space in between, so it's adding a space and then print that out, you can do that. Okay, so this is a normal way of doing things. So the plus sign, this is sort of an exception. But other than that, all this kind of scenario, so for example, you can even say indices is still a noun. Okay, so that's yeah, a specific topic I want to talk about. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty brief video, but if you're still there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up if you think my video is helpful. I update the video every day. I'm really hardworking, but I really need your help to keep this channel alive and keep me keep me alive in a sense, because your support will bring the bread and butter to my table, and so I can chew that butter and record more tutorials for you guys. Okay, so thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.